Doctors, nurses and surgeons are what people think of when they hear healthcare. At the REVA School of Allied Health Sciences, we learn to be a part of the bigger team that makes up healthcare.
Here, in biochemistry labs, I learn how diseases work on a molecular level. With practice and experience, I can provide a better care for patients in the future.
Physiotherapy is a healthcare profession which helps to restore movement and function affected by injury, illness and disability. It also reduces the risk of injury in future.
Introducing our medical laboratory technology course, join us into a fundamentals and cutting-edge, advanced in lab diagnostics and equipments through hands-on experience.
Medical radiology and diagnostic imaging refers to an undergraduate degree program that focuses on training individuals to handle and operate medical imaging equipments for diagnostic purposes such as X-ray, ultrasound, CT scan and MRI scan.
Here at Nutrition and Dietetics, we learn about role in food in promoting health and preventing diseases. Discover how to create a personalized dietary plans to tailored individual goals and needs with an hands-on experience and expert guidance.
REVA University's School of Allied Health Sciences is where you become the backbone of the healthcare industry.